Hello everybody. Yes, welcome. We are here at FANUC headquarters here in Coventry and we are going live.
Yeah, there's plenty to sort out. There's been a few days of prep, which has been quite good, and to be honest, it's quite exciting to have all this kit and ready and, you know, film live.
3 cameras all come into here. Here we do the switching, and then all that fed into there, and this is where we control the graphics and the VTs and overlays and cutaways to GoPro fed inside the machines. And then all the audio comes through here, which again gets fed into here, fed out to the live stream. This is where it's all controlled from, this is the cockpit.
And what we're going to do is we're going to run the machine and we're going to talk about the demonstration as it happens. Once the aluminium's done, we're then going to talk about the cutting tools back with the guys. We're then going to cut the mild steel and then we're going to cut the stainless. So that's going to happen throughout the next sort of 40 minutes or so. So Andy, do you want to press cycle start on the machine?
ITC has been going for over 25 years. We've got our own manufacturing plant in Tamworth, producing solid carbide product, and then that's backed up by the brands that we're UK agents for. So.
Now, this is obviously a BBT30 machine, and that's the big focus today, to see what these machines can achieve. So we move on to this second demonstration. Compared to the aluminium, what are the things that you need to put in place on a machine like this? What are the differences in the strategies that you're now going to use? Well, press cycle start.
Cutting dry so everyone can see what we're doing on these first few tools.
Andy, the live event has just finished. How do you feel now in comparison to before we went live?
The sweat off my brow, I think it's. I'm really happy with how it went. Actually, I think you guys have done a really good job making everyone sort of feel at ease, and we set it up and it all went to plan. So yeah, good.
In short, what do you think is better about a live event as opposed to a pre-recorded video?
I think there's a few things. Firstly, how they're perceived on the social media channels. So, for example, they'll always take priority in people's feeds. So that means you're going to get additional visibility that you wouldn't get maybe from a normal pre-recorded video. Secondly, the build-up, you can create events. I mean, we had around about 600 people just on LinkedIn waiting to watch the event today. So immediately as it goes live, they're going to get notification.
For us, it's really getting that message across about showing the machine can do what we're saying. I think pre-recording, people can be a little bit sceptical about that, but in a live demo event, we really are producing and showing what the capabilities of the machine and our equipment is.
From all of us in front of the camera and behind the camera, thank you very much for watching. Lots of live events in the diary, so looking forward to seeing you very soon.
We're clear.